And for NASA's missions to the outer planets, its larger propulsion systems would enable more direct trajectories, reducing mission travel time and increasing actual mission time by years. Previous spacecraft have had to make multiple gravity assist maneuvers around the inner planets to reach the velocity needed, costing valuable time.
And he sits down to pray. Ladies and gentlemen, so this next video is very, very impressive. It's going to tell you precisely more in detail about our new rocket and how we're planning on traveling further out and exploring deep space. Also coming up, I want to show you our new countdown clock. When I passed this, when I cleared the trees over here off the left, you're going to look across the water out the left side, and there's a flag waving at half-staff. Beneath that flagpole, there's a blue box. That's our new countdown clock. The original countdown clock, you passed by when you came into park today. It was on your left-hand side, okay? Also, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you the original access arm that was taken from Launch Pad 39A. It looks like a long gray structure. It has a white box on the end, and I'll show you that. And also, those of you that are having trouble getting some photos out the right side, in just a little bit, you'll see the flag on the building, and you can take advantage of that as well, okay?
We explore to gain knowledge, to push the boundaries of possibility, and to reveal the unknown.
We seek to discover, find answers here on Earth and in space.
Was Mars once an Earth-like planet with water and an atmosphere?
I think we said
What
the
happened?
flag is at
Can the same
half-staff
thing
because
happen here on Earth?
What about asteroids? Is there something we can do to prevent a big one from colliding with Earth?
We can go to Mars in our lifetime and answer some of humanity's fundamental questions about life beyond Earth.
Robots are doing great work exploring our solar system.
But
Flag on the
eventually,
building out the
we
right
will be able to
side.
put a
Take
person on the
advantage of
ground.
it and get you some photos if you wish.
Now, sending people to deep space destinations requires a lot of
Coming up
stuff.
on the right side as well,
Including
you'll
water,
see
shelter,
a big
fuel, spare
long
parts,
gray
tools,
structure
and
with a white box on the
It's
end.
like a space
This
ferry
is the
RV.
original access arm.
The
They
longer
flew of
you go,
Atlantis.
the longer the trip,
Was the last
the
one to
more
walk
you need,
across
and
here
that
back
means
in
moving a lot of
2011.
mass.
It was at
So when you
Launch
talk
Pad
about getting past the
39A.
pull of Earth's gravity, you need a bigger, more powerful rocket.
There's a picture along the side of it. Small picture. Shows you the access arm extending over toward the
The
space
Space
shuttle.
Launch System is an all-new
Picture to
heavy
the
lift
right of it.
rocket that uses a
Shows the
combination
astronauts
of
in the
proven
orange suits
hardware and
inside the white
technology
room.
to make it more affordable. We can take the best from all we've learned from building rockets and combine that with cutting-edge tooling and manufacturing technology to build the most powerful rocket in
All right,
history.
ladies and gentlemen, we're about just over 3 minutes from our next stop.
You can
I
fly
do
to
hope
really
that
high
you
orbits
have
around the
enjoyed
moon
this
with
tour
this rocket without
and was able to
requiring
get you
any
some
other
nice
assistance.
photos.
But when we add an upper stage, we'll have
Please
it
remain
bigger.
seated where you are.
The large revolved version of SLS can carry a habitat, larger solar arrays, additional propulsion, you name it. It's really a versatile rocket.